I might end up just firing myself at the end of this. Now, as you can see, I don't really have the most energy, but that's the energy that you have to bring to a 9 to 5, I guess. Being tired. It's a Monday morning, so yeah. What is this whole video about? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, you will not know that I recently left my job. I know, I keep saying it, guys. I know, but this might be the last time, who knows. Since leaving my 9 to 5 job, I didn't really want to go into another 9 to 5 job straight away, at least. And so, of course, I just started focusing a little bit more on my YouTube channel. But I wasn't focusing on it as a 9 to 5. Certainly wasn't working on my YouTube channel 8 hours a day. But here we are, I'm going to potentially do that. For a week though, trial run, see how it goes. Now here's the thing, having a YouTube channel and earning money off of YouTube is supposed to allow you to be able to stick with your own routine and whatever works for you. You don't have to wake up, jump on a laptop, open up the laptop and report into your boss or whoever it may be from 9 o'clock and let them know that you're signing off at 5 or whatever it is. It really depends on your office. YouTubers don't really have to do that. For the most part, that's what I've been taught. But I thought it would be interesting to see if I could be more productive, if I could churn out content, if I stuck to a 9 to 5 schedule and was kind of making it seem like I was working for someone else, but I'm really working for myself. But for the sake of this, I'm gonna pretend like there's some sort of eternity that I'm reporting to as my 9 to 5 boss. Now, at the end of this, whether I become more productive or not is gonna be quite interesting. Whether I hate doing this more will be interesting as well, because that just might be one of the reasons why people hate doing 9 to 5s, is because, you know, you have a lack of freedom. So what I'm doing here is giving myself a lack of freedom. I might end up firing myself at the end of the week. Why? Because I'm gonna have to set myself deadlines. Because I could just be like, oh yeah, I'm spending most of the day just woohoo. Because I'm treating it as a 9 to 5, here are a few rules that I need to set. 1, I need to be working from 9 to 5, but I'm allowed to have my little lunch break. 2, I'm allowed to work past 5 o'clock. Oh God, I'm getting PTSD already. As you guys know, right now, I don't script my videos. For these videos that I'm gonna record during this week, I might script them because I'm giving myself more time now and maybe they can be more thought out or whatever. We'll see whether that's something that helps with sticking to a 9 to 5 routine or not. If I was to script those, scripting would probably take 1 to 2 hours. Now recording a video, because I don't script, I'm not too sure how it's gonna affect it too much. Obviously this one now is not scripted, I'm just letting you guys know what my plan is. Off the dome, recording a video usually takes, you know, not that long at all. It really does depend. Of course, this one's gonna take a lot longer because I'm gonna be doing it throughout the week. But let's say, for instance, the videos that I'm gonna record for this week, around half an hour to an hour. The big daddy job is the editing, all right? Editing, like 6 hours, I'm guessing. The way I edit my videos, because I go through it one time, slice, go through it again, audio, which I know is not always the best at times, go through it again, you know, add my little music, add some effects and thing. You know what, I think each editing for each video is around maybe 5 hours. That should add up to around 8 hours a day is what I'm saying. 8 hours a day, and then of course subtract 1 hour for lunch. So 7 hours, that seems around, really? The goal I'm gonna give myself is by Friday, I should have 4 videos recorded and edited by Friday. In which case, I'm gonna stop recording now and get onto them. Give me a thumbs up for doing this. The algorithm and stuff, you know, I'm gonna do all this, but if the algorithm isn't on my side, then it's pointless, I suppose. Let's see what happens. Shit, I'm not prepared for a 9 to 5 right now. I'm not, let's be honest. Freaking out. But we're gonna get to it. Alright, I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so as you can see, I've got Notion up and I've not really used Notion before, but I'm treating YouTube as a 9 to 5, so Kanban boards and all that stuff is a good thing to have. So here I've got the few columns, so ideation I'm gonna pull in from my notes. I've got a long list of video ideas that I'm just gonna put in there. Scripting, like I said, I don't really do this that much, but there it is. Recording, editing, and uploading. So this is basically the done stage. Thumbnail, I guess, will come under the editing. Yes, so for example, here's a video idea. And so that's in ideation. Obviously I haven't scripted it yet, and I'm gonna do the rest now, and that'll be it. Cool, so first video scripted. That was an interesting experience. I haven't actually written a script for a video in a very long time. I haven't added in like, oh, do this effect here or anything like that, but it's a basic script of just kind of what I want to say in this video. What I think will be interesting is when it comes to actually recording the video, because see, of course, here's the thing guys, because I've got my microphone here, and if I was doing like B-roll footage over a mic, then I could just do it like that, but I like talking to the camera like this without a script really, so I'm guessing I'm just going to use it as an outline. So that sentence there, if I look at it now, I would probably just summarize it as something like this. So see, I guess you could look at it as age privilege as well, because I'm 23, and so for my age it's less common that I'm going to have some children to look after and a mortgage, and that's something that might be present at age 30 years old. Of course, with editing it would come across a lot more smooth, but what's the time? It's 12:40. So, you know, we've uploaded some B-roll onto my computer. I'm getting more stuff from my phone over to here, scripted a video, made a Notion board. That's quite a lot of stuff. I'm trying to think whether I'm gonna try and do batch recordings on one day or batch scripting, but I'll think about it. I'll see how it goes. I think it's almost time for lunch, around 20 minutes for lunch. So I'm gonna try and get some B-roll, guys. I haven't got a lot right now. I've been trying to, in the last few days, get some because I think it would be good for videos and, you know, just make it more visually interesting. But the B-roll that I have got right now is mainly of just like friends and stuff. So I need to shoot some of myself. I was gonna start recording the video that I had scripted, but didn't get any B-roll. I did do a script, doing the second script. I've got like halfway through doing that, but I'm gonna have to definitely pick up the workload. I am very tired as well, so maybe with some sleep, we can put in the effort that is required for the rest of the week for this job. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm squinting because the sun's in my eyes, but also I'm very tired. So yeah, man. Let's see what happens tomorrow. All right, guys. So nice little update. Time is Tuesday morning, and it was a myth. It was a myth to be able to get out of bed today. I've kind of realized that this isn't something that I actually want to do. Like I like making YouTube videos for you guys and everything like that, but having to do it as like a chore, like you need to get up at this time and do it for this amount of time, like it kind of grinds my gears, which is interesting because it's like, okay, now I understand. Maybe it's not necessarily what is being done in a 9 to 5, but it's just the kind of time constraints that I'm being met with. Because I might not want to get up and do things at 9 o'clock. To be honest, that being said, I'm just gonna continue. I don't think that I'm gonna last the whole week, guys. I mean, it is Tuesday. I've got 3 more days to go after this one. I mean, really, it's still 4 more days because days really just started. But that being said, I'm still going to try and meet the deadlines. The deadlines I set, I thought they were pretty lenient. I don't even know they're that achievable, to be honest. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish doing the other half of the script that I was working on yesterday. That means I'll have 2 scripts, and I'm gonna record a video and edit it to be able to release tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Today hasn't been productive in the slightest, really, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going for a walk now. The designated camera app that I use to record videos, it's not opening. It's not been opening, so I've just taken the B-roll that I've recorded and I've uploaded it onto my computer. To try and make space for new footage, I'm gonna have to try and figure that out. So far, it's the same as this morning. It's not been very fun.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so discreet.
Really? You didn't clock? So, I'm doing a video right now, man.
Okay.
And I'm trying to turn YouTube for an experiment into a 9 to 5.
You're trying to turn YouTube into a 9 to 5?
I'm not trying to actually, like, long term, but I'm treating it as a 9 to 5 for a week. And so far, it's been terrible.
So, like, you want to wake up at 9?
I wake up, I'm doing it right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm waking
so you
up
woke up at 9?
Well, I've been trying. And then I'm treating it like working on whatever, content creation, like this. I mean, it's past lunch, bro. So this is I'm still at work.
You're working through your lunch break.
This is work. What's your thoughts on the matter?
Isn't the whole point of YouTube, like being a YouTuber, is that you get more freedom, flexibility?
It is.
So why would you pigeonhole yourself into a 9 to 5?
Exactly, and that's kind of what this experiment is kind of about. Because you know how it's like, you know, people think if they have a 9 to 5 doing something that they want to do, then it might be fun. But it's kind of like, is it just a routine?
No, it's the routine.
It's the routine that kind of makes you feel like a...
Yeah, because you don't need to work from 9 to 5. You can work from 5 to 9.
Yeah.
You can just do 4 hours of work if you want to.
To be honest.
Think about how many people have a 9 to 5. And because they know they have to work 8 hours, they don't work efficiently.
They don't.
They just dust about.
Yeah. And that's exactly what I was saying. So I was like, okay, but I have no manager to report to. So I'm just kind of like twiddling my thumbs and stuff.
You have to hold yourself accountable.
Exactly.
But you don't have to hold yourself to a schedule.
So I've set myself deadlines for this week.
Right.
Trying to get 4 videos or recorded and edited, it's proven to be tough. I've actually scripted some videos, which I never usually do.
Okay. That old school KSI.
Did you script?
Yeah.
Slow down. Guys, well, hey, it's actually 5:30. I just got finished recording the video that I needed to do. You guys will probably see it already. It's the privilege one. Now, I'm feeling to go ahead and start editing it. But like I said, it's 5:30, so I'm really done. That being said, I haven't done a lot of work today. And here's the thing, do I continue working or do I stop and start tomorrow? I don't know. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like, the creativity is kind of limited to these hours. I don't necessarily feel creative at 1 p.m, but come 5:30, I'm like, right, yeah, let's go. And, you know, all the apps and tools I needed to use to work are now working. So I'm going to think about it. I might actually just get started on it, but I also might just leave it till tomorrow. Good. I mean, it's barely morning, guys. I'm gonna just say good afternoon. I woke up on time. I woke up and I was just like, bro, I'm not doing it. I'm my own boss, you know? It's kind of sad. I'm gonna share my thoughts properly at the end of this video. It's Wednesday. I don't think I'm gonna continue. I'll dive deeper into it, but basically, obviously the video that I had to edit to release today, I'm gonna do. And then whatever else comes off of the back of that is whatever. It's whatever. This is gonna take a while to edit anyway. Yeah, man, this is how I'm feeling right now. Honest thoughts. Don't watch the hair. But it means that I should be able to get this video out sooner. So let's see. Can't lie, holding up the phone like this actually hurts my arms. So we've come to the end of the week. It's Friday. How did I do? Not very well in terms of what I set out to do, and let me just talk about how my journey was throughout the week. So to be honest, didn't actually do the whole week. I mean, I stopped at Wednesday, I believe, and yesterday I just didn't do it. I went out with my boy Shimu, shout out to him, and you know, we had a nice day, and it kind of just reminded me why the 9 to 5 life is not exactly the best thing to ask for, is it? So what I used to think is that 9 to 5s would be fine. It's just, if you find something that you actually like doing, then it could be fun, you know? Doing something you like during set hours of the week, it could be a decent thing to do with your life, essentially. But what I found is, because I went from doing something that I do love doing, which is making YouTube videos at my own time, doing what I need to do, knowing what I need to do, and then taking that and putting it into a routine system, I didn't like it because there was less freedom. I had to be doing something during these set hours, and I didn't find myself being that productive. It was kind of forced productivity, literally just trying to find things to do with the time that I was given. And because myself personally, I mean, I've got a mindset now with this YouTube channel going forward that I want to create 2 videos a week, post 2 videos a week. Doesn't mean I'm always going to stick to that, but that's kind of the goal that I have in mind, is to do 2 videos a week. As long as I'm achieving that, then I don't really mind. So with the whole goal that I set out for myself, which was to have 4 videos recorded, not for me. And you know, here's the thing, because I feel like I need to not necessarily always be inspired, because I've got a long list of videos. But that being said, whenever I go to pick one of the videos that I want to record, there's a certain thing that goes on in my mind, because I don't really pay too much attention to it, but just thinking about it now, I have to be in kind of a certain mood to record, otherwise it doesn't come out how I'd want it to come out. Additionally, I don't think I really like scripting videos, so there's that. The last video I posted, the privilege one, was scripted, so yeah, let me know how that fares in comparison to this one. For example, don't know if you guys saw, but I kept looking at the screen and I was doing it too quickly after I finished my sentence, so to cut was quite bad. The cuts in that video are mad. There's mad jump cuts. I was speaking to my girlfriend about this as well, and I think we came to the conclusion together. Well, she kind of gave it to me after I was saying, I hate this stuff, man. She was like, yeah, you like task-based productivity, not hour-based productivity. And it's kind of like what I said. And it's kind of the difference between this. It's working for a set amount of time to produce results first. Hey, I've got to do this, this, and this. I've got all the time in the world, I guess, to do it. Let me unbutton this because it's such a, oh God. I quit my job as a YouTuber from 9 to 5. I will continue doing YouTube videos from 9 to 5. Not for me. Will I ever go back to a 9 to 5? Probably. Let's be honest. I have actually been looking at some jobs which I think I'll enjoy recently, and you know, I am still being very picky. Let me not lie, but I am looking up some roles. We'll see what happens with that. So if you do see me end up posting once a week again, then, well, I'll keep you guys updated anyway, but it might just be that time where I'm back in, well, the industry I go in, they usually never wear suits like this. I'm not a finance worker, so it was fun to put this back on again. Interesting experiment this week, guys. Well, for the better half of a week that it was. If you enjoyed this video and it made you think about what you want to do with your life, then hey, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you're in a 9 to 5 and if you like it, if you enjoy it. And as you can see, my audio corrupted and the rest of the clip is gone. But what I was saying is, yeah, leave me a comment below if you are in a 9 to 5, if you like it or whatever. That's about it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe for more videos if you like this one. See you guys soon. Jana.